Hey everyone, my name is Derek. I'm a pharmacist and the founder of Pyrls, and in this video, I want to give you a quick walkthrough of how you can get the most out of Pyrls drug information to advance your clinical practice or your clinical education. So in this video, we're going to cover Pyrls drug summaries and the AHFS detailed monographs that are also available inside of Pyrls. And so what we're looking at here is one of our nearly 1,000 drug summaries. And so you can see that the point of our summaries is to really make the most practical information right at your fingertips if you're looking up and getting yourself up to speed on a medication and some of the main ways that you may want to utilize it as a practitioner or as a training clinician. So we break these summaries into 5 key sections. General is where we cover the key things about how does the drug work, what are some of its main uses, brand names, etc. And then counseling points. This is one of the most unique parts of Pyrls summaries where we help guide you and provide you with a list of key things that you should think about counseling a patient on, whether you're at point of care or in the pharmacy or in a clinical opportunity where educating a patient on the key things that they can get out of their medication therapy is pertinent. So you'll see that we break down these into simple points and sections. And one other great thing is you can click on each to read more about why we put this here. And then also if you need to go to the references where this came from to dig deeper, you can do that right on each point here as well. We also cover FDA approved dosing information on each drug in our summaries. And one thing I want to call out here as well is we're going to look at the detailed AHFS drug monographs, and that's where you can dig deeper on dosing than our summaries may provide. Next is our clinical points. And so where the counseling points were the key things that you should think about counseling a patient on, the clinical points are the key things that our summaries providing you be considering when you're trying to decide if this drug is appropriate for therapy or not. So for example, here you can see that we have a summary of what the latest hypertension guidelines say about where this medication, thiazide diuretics, fall into their algorithm of when it should be selected in their guideline recommendations for patients. And then we also have other key clinical points that typically are derived from either guidelines or the main things that from the FDA product label that you should be considering, like monitoring and key warnings to be watching out for in each clinical encounter. Also in our safety section, we make the entire warnings, contraindications, and other safety information available from the FDA product label, again, right at your fingertips in our summaries. And so the last thing I want to cover before we go over to the other detailed drug information in Pyrls is that, of course, this is all available on our mobile app as well. So here you can see I pulled up the drug summary for the same medication, and you can see that we break it down and make it really simple to click to the key section where you may be looking to get some of this information. I also want to highlight that you can see links out to our pharmacotherapy reviews, which we discussed in another video where we go more detailed on if you want to dig into more about pharmacotherapy of a condition. This is where we make the charts and key information about this condition available in the review specifically. And then, of course, I want to highlight that you can add and save medications and other content items to lists so that you can keep yourself organized in addition to just searching for the information you need at any given time. So with that, I want to head over to the other key drug information available in Pyrls, which is actually the entire American Hospital Formulary Service drug compendias monographs are available inside of Pyrls as well if you need to take a deeper dive. So there's over 1,700 of these monographs, and whether you're looking up a drug that there may not yet be a Pyrls summary amongst our nearly 1,000 summaries, like Keytruda, you can look at the latest AHFS monograph on this where they go into really deep evidence-based information on the medications covered in their monographs. You can read about on-label, off-label use. They have really great dosing and administration sections where you can look up information that you may need to go deeper on the knowledge that you need at hand beyond just our drug summaries. So with that, I hope this video was helpful. Please check Pyrls out, download the Pyrls app, and we'd love your feedback and appreciate your time in this video.